Keyless door locks are becoming more and more popular among homeowners. With keyless door locks, you can control access to your house without giving out multiple keys. It is relatively common for people with traditional locks to forget to lock the door. In addition, you may end up misplacing your primary key, and even the spare key, locking yourself out or in your own home. If you're reading this, you're likely thinking about buying a keyless door entry lock. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Sifely keyless entry door lock in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe now. Let's get started. Number 1. eufy Security Smart Lock Touch. Our best overall electronic deadbolt is the eufy Security Smart Lock Touch. It is a Bluetooth-enabled keypad keyless deadbolt lock that you can activate using your fingerprint, key, or eufy security app if you are at the door. And because it stores your fingerprint locally using a bank-grade AES 128 encryption chip, it makes your lock less vulnerable to hacks. In addition, it is also Wi-Fi enabled, which means you can control the digital door lock via your mobile device regardless of where you are. Also, the Wi-Fi bridge makes this lock compatible with smart home systems like Alexa, and the identification and unlocking process takes less than 5 seconds, enabling you to get to safety quickly if you are in danger. Also, it incorporates an auto lock feature in the form of an inbuilt sensor, which locks the door as soon as you get in or leave, ensuring your home stays safe even when you forget to lock it yourself. The eufy Smart Lock Touch also consists of a stainless steel and zinc alloy construction capable of withstanding 1,122 kilograms of weight, which makes it pretty resistant to wear and tear and rust. Furthermore, it has an IP65 weatherproof rating, allowing it to withstand high amounts of rainfall for prolonged periods. Number 2. SMONET Fingerprint Electronic Deadbolt. The SMONET electronic deadbolt door lock with keypad is a keyless lock with a fingerprint reader that will recognize your biometric information and open the lock within 2 seconds, allowing you to run to safety. And if you have a Wi-Fi gateway, you can connect it to the internet and open your door for trusted guests through remote control. So, it can also work with Google Assistant and Alexa. If you prefer not to unlock your electronic deadbolt online, you can use the other options, some of which incorporate Bluetooth technology. These include an IC fob or card, a mechanical key, a mobile app, passcodes input via the keypad, and fingerprints. And the intelligent touchscreen keypad is easy to use, reducing the chances of making mistakes. The keyless lock has robust features to limit visitors' access and safeguard your home against vandalism. First, a code door lock setting enables you to set up different access options for permanent or one-time guests. Also, you can use the feature to set up time codes that expire after the specified period. In addition, you can personalize different user codes for family members, service providers like your housekeepers, and friends, allowing you to track who gets into your home and when. Number 3. Sifely Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Sifely keyless entry door lock consists of a keypad that enables you to input your passcode to gain entry into your home. Other popular options for opening this lock include a smartphone app, key, fingerprints, and fob. Since you can save at least 200 codes and 150 fingerprints, you have many access options for everyone. The Sifely Wi-Fi gateway is one of the unique features of the Sifely keyless lock. Not only does it enable you to generate user codes remotely for unexpected guests, but it also enables you to open and close your door remotely and access visitor logs in real time. Also, the lock has enhanced security features, such as auto lock and notifications informing you when your door is locked or unlocked. In addition, when your battery power is about to run out, the low battery indicator will tell you of that. Easy installation is also part of this product. With a simple screwdriver, you can install the lock quickly since there is no drilling. And the best thing about it is that the door handle is reversible, making it suitable for both right and left-handed users. Over the long term, the keyless lock provides good value for money. It comes with a 1-year product warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a lifetime of customer service support. And the zinc construction makes it relatively durable. Number 4. Schlage Camelot Keypad Deadbolt. The Schlage BE365 VCAM 716 Camelot keypad deadbolt consists of high-quality silicone that is strong and durable, making it suitable for even light commercial premises. so it is ideal for garage doors or home offices. Also, the numbers are silicone coated and backlit to ensure you can put in your codes even in the dark. And the locks come with a lifetime finish and mechanical warranty, as well as a 3-year warranty for electronics. In addition, the Schlage Keypad Deadbolt comes with 2 pre-programmed user access codes, but you can assign up to 19 codes for your loved ones and control the lock with an app. And it's easy to use, allowing you to unlock it from the outside with a simple thumb turn and unlock and lock it from the inside in the same way. Furthermore, the keyless lock has a 9V battery that can last up to 2 years with typical use. And to ensure your lock is powered at all times to prevent lockouts, the low battery indicator will notify you of low power levels. Since no hardwiring is required, this keyless lock is easy to install. You only need a screwdriver and you are good to go. Number 5. Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Wyze Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock is a keypad lock with a Wyze app. You can use the app for at least 50 fingerprints of regular visitors to your home, but you can also add more for yourself. And the Deadbolt will recognize your data within a second, making it an excellent option where safety is an issue. The anti-peep numbered keypad also enables you to use a code to lock or unlock the door without worrying about any nosy neighbors looking to see what numbers you are using, since you can add extra digits before and after your valid codes. Also, you can set unique codes for everyone that through your door. And if you activate your Bluetooth connection, you can use the Wyze app to determine who got into your space and when they did it. Of course, if someone made several failed attempts, the app will notify you too. Another key feature of the Wyze keyless lock is the timed auto lock feature. It locks the door after a specified period if you forget to do it yourself. Also, you can schedule when the door unlocks. Furthermore, 4 AA batteries power the system to ensure it keeps working. And lastly, the Wyze keypad lock is easy to install as long as you have 20 minutes to spare and follow the instructions in the manual. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.